Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to change the accessibility on your iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go into the settings. Okay, so sometimes we control or do the setting for the accessibility when we have a bad quality of our vision or we cannot see clearly on our screen of our phone. You just need to go click the settings, and after that go scroll down until you find a accessibility on these setting sections. Just need to click it and you will be able to set or to change every setting related to the accessibility of your phones. If for example, if we have a bad vision, you just need to focus on this vision section. You can go into the zoom. You can activate this zoom button, so whenever you found a small typing, the small text, you can just go use this zoom magnifiers by do a shortcut such as double tap with your three fingers to zoom, as well as drag the three fingers to move around the screen to read the text that you zoomed in. And then after that you can also do a double tap three fingers and drag to change zoom. Okay, let's try it. Let's activate the zoom, and after that let's tap with our three fingers. Okay, this is to zoom out the screen. And how to zoom in again, just go click with your three fingers right there, and after that you can also move around all of your screen by three fingers drag in the same time. Okay, and after, if you need it, you just need to activate it, but if you don't need it, you just need to turn it off. Okay, now if you find out the text of your phone is quite small, you just need to go click a display and text size, and here you can just go click use larger text, and now you can go adjusting the size of your text. If you feel that your text is quite small, drag this point into the right side until you find the best size that you can see. Okay, if you find this text or this size is quite good, go use it and just need to click back, and all of your phone the text will be in this size. So that's all the way how to change the accessibility on your phone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.